there's too much uncertainty within supply chains and things like that. So, the ability to procure products, right? And let's say, in certain instances, certain metals and certain items, those prices fluctuate a lot, right? What a good price on that raw material is. Well, when you come across it, you need to be able to procure as much as you possibly can. So even if you're paying, let's say, a little bit of interest to go out and buy twice as much product as you need, but if you don't do that and you wait 6 months and the cost of that product doubles, I guarantee you it's way more than that minimal interest that you paid to hold that product. Again, it's just having the ability to sit down and evaluate your financial health and well-being and what makes sense, when to get loans. Yeah, no, I don't recommend that, the old joke, maybe like, all right, you go borrow on your line of credit to purchase a Lamborghini. But, at the end of the day, like, you need to go and do the things that are going to help expand your business, keep it profitable, and keep it, healthy for the future.